Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Badge, rounded peel, BG info and more. Let's start coding. I want to create a H2 tag, lorem2, and I want to add a spam tag inside the H2 tag, new, and let's assign class for spam, badge, BG, warning. Let me copy and paste one more time, and let's make that one H5. Let's make it that one primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create sort of warning message for your user. If you want to show something new on your website, you can use badge like this. Let me show another thing. I'm going to use button for that example. Button and a span we need. Let's add a text, notification, and let me add class name for button, btn primary, and type button. Let's assign class for span, badge, and bg secondary. Let's give a number and let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use badge like this. For example, showing how many email you received or how many message unread, something like this on your project. And let me copy and paste one more time that one. I want to show one more thing. I want to add another class name here, rounded peel. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, different shape. That one is circle, that one is square. You can use different shapes like this, and you can change color of your button and BG of your badge. Let's say secondary and let's say info. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use badge like this in your projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.